It's a little video here showing how to make a reusable sump plug washer that will not leak. What you do is you take a normal sump plug, you find a copper washer that'll fit. In this case, the washer's been on the car for 5,000 miles. I now need to anneal it to make it soft again. These washers work harden, so I'm trying to twist it. I am twisting, getting a bit of twist into it to make it nice and soft so that it follows all the contours of the sump plug again. Stick it onto a bent welding rod and heat it up. Heat it until it's cherry red, then dump it in cold water, take it out, and you'll find now that this thing is super easy to bend and deform as you want to. There's absolutely no issues. Stick it back on your sump plug, tighten it up, no leaks, guaranteed. You can repeat this with a copper washer as many times as you want to, over and over and over. This is a lifetime investment that costs you a few cents. I have a small follow-up on the copper washer segment. I'm busy annealing these washers, and you can see the annealed ones are a different color. So the ones that are remaining red are annealed, they are softer. Just as an example, I've got this one here. I'm going to do this one quickly. Heat it up until cherry red. Doing this with one hand because I don't have a camera stand. Pop it. And they're not quite as good because you're supposed to dump it in the water a lot sooner than what I just did. But that's due to me only having one hand free at the moment. Shortly going to see the cherry red washer, which is not cherry red yet, dip into the water. If you're lucky, you'll actually hear and see a minor pop. I do not know what causes this, but I think it's actually pretty cool. So, I'm heating up the washer. Cherry red. Pop. You see how clean that is now? Let's see if I can do this again quickly. Just as a demo. Red. Cool. I hope that came out on camera.